If you thought last year's iPhone 17 Pro and Cosmic Orange turned heads everywhere, then you're going to love what's coming next. The first leaks surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro series have finally surfaced, giving us an early look at newly revealed dummy units that showcase Apple's upcoming flagship design. Before we jump into all the details, let me know in the comments which color you would choose if these leaks turn out to be accurate. From the overall design and feel to the rumored upgrades hiding beneath the surface, these early models are giving us a surprisingly clear picture of what Apple may have planned. And while the familiar Pro identity remains intact, the refreshed color options and major camera improvements could make this one of the most talked about iPhone launches in years. Taking a closer look at the dummy units, the first thing that immediately stands out is the updated color lineup. Apple appears ready to move away from some previous finishes in favor of a bolder and more eye-catching selection. The traditional silver option is still here, carrying that clean, premium look that many users have loved for years. Alongside it, however, are three fresh finishes that bring a completely different personality to the lineup. One of them is a rich matte space black that delivers a sleek, understated appearance with a distinctly premium feel. Another is a soft light blue shade that brings back memories of the fan-favorite Sierra Blue, though this version appears slightly more refined and modern. Then there's a color that could easily become the standout choice of the year, a striking cherry red finish. Much like Cosmic Orange became the signature color people chased last year, this vibrant red option could quickly become the most sought-after version in the entire lineup. When it comes to the physical design and overall ergonomics, Apple seems to be sticking with a proven formula. Comparing these dummy units side by side with the iPhone 17 Pro Max reveals almost no noticeable changes in dimensions, button placement, or camera module layout. The action button remains in place. The dedicated camera control button is still present, and the rear panel continues to support the same MagSafe accessory alignment users have become familiar with. The phone looks and feels premium, but the real story appears to be what's happening internally. One of the most significant upgrades is expected to come from Apple's next-generation silicon. Reports suggest a more powerful chip that could dramatically improve multitasking, gaming performance, and overall efficiency. Battery life may also see a substantial boost, with rumors pointing toward larger battery capacities in both the Pro and Pro Max models. Pair that with a newer and faster 5G modem, and Apple could be delivering a device built to handle demanding workloads while lasting longer throughout the day. But perhaps the most exciting development is in the camera system. According to current reports, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup may become the first iPhones to feature a true variable aperture camera. This will allow the lens to physically adjust the amount of light entering the sensor, similar to what professional cameras have been doing for years. For creators who rely on their iPhones to capture videos, vlogs, short films, and high-quality photography, this could open up a completely new level of creative control. Better low-light performance, enhanced depth effects, and greater flexibility in different shooting conditions could transform the iPhone into an even more powerful content creation tool. Looking at everything rumored so far, the iPhone 18 Pro series feels less like a dramatic redesign and more like a carefully refined evolution. The familiar exterior may not surprise existing iPhone users, but the combination of advanced camera technology, stronger performance, improved battery life, and that eye-catching cherry red finish could make it a very appealing upgrade. It appears to be a device focused on balancing elegance, practicality, and professional-grade capabilities in a way that many users will appreciate. On top of that, rumors continue to circulate about a potential iPhone Ultra, which some believe could introduce Apple's first foldable display. If those reports gain traction, you can be sure we'll be covering every update as more information becomes available. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, share this video with your friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech news, leaks, and exclusive updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.